So if you want to connect your PS5 DualSense controller to your Android phone and play games, this is how you do it. First, go to your Android phone and turn on your Bluetooth. I'm currently using a Samsung, but you can do this with any Android phone, whether it's a Pixel, whether it's a Motorola, whether it's a Xiaomi, whatever Android phone you want to use, this works. So once you have turned on Bluetooth on your Android phone, go to your PS5 DualSense controller and put it in pairing mode. Now, to put the controller in pairing mode, you need the PlayStation button in the middle here and the share button at the top here. So you want to press these two buttons simultaneously and hold them in for about 5 seconds until you see the PS5 controller blinking rapidly. It's now in pairing mode. And now, if you go ahead and scan on your Android phone, you should be able to detect a wireless controller. So tap on that and then confirm you want to pair. There you go. So as you can see, the wireless controller is now connected. So you can now go ahead and use this PS5 controller to play games on your Android phone. For instance, you can fire up a game like Asphalt. Just a quick demo of how the controller works. There you go. That's basically how to connect your PS5 controller to your Android phone. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.